Hello student, this is computer application in pharmacy experiment number 10. Aim of this experiment is to creating and working with the queries in MS Access. The main objective of this experiment is to be able to construct a query by using either query wizard or by query design view. Let's see the construction of query using query wizard. In this first you open Microsoft Access, then select create tab, then select query wizard option and a new query dialog box you have to open. Let's see, first open Microsoft Access. Here we have already built some databases. I am using uh, that particular database. Now here you have to click onto the create tab. In create tab there is a query option. Here query wizard, you have to click on query wizard. After clicking onto the query wizard, you can see here a window is open. In this window you can see this window is for to creates and select a query from the fields you pick. Here different options are there: simple query wizard, cross tab query wizard, find duplicate query wizard, find unmatched query wizard. Here we are selecting in this practical simple query wizard and click onto the OK. In next slide you can see here you have to select simple query wizard, then you can see that there is a simple query wizard, and in this simple query wizard you have to select the fields and then click next button. Here you can see uh, there is a different options in this query wizard, like table and queries and available fields. In table and queries you can select different types of queries and tables. Here I am selecting a table. In the table these are the number of fields are already available. In that particular field I am selecting here. You can select all the fields by clicking double angular button, or we can select individual by clicking onto the single angular button. Here I am selecting customer ID, then last name, then amount paid and number of days. Here after select, you can see here option is given is there selected fields. After this you have to click on to the next, then another query wizard is open, and that query wizard just see different types of options are there. Here you can see this is the another query wizard. After clicking next you can see here uh, it is for you can give here details or a summary of a query. Details shows every field, every record. If first option you selected, it will shows you every field and every record, and another option is there, summary option is there. It gives you summary option like this. There are you can done some average, mean and max this type of operation are there. But here we are going to select in this practical details show every field of record. Here you can see assign title the query and click finish button. The query is created as given below. Then this type of a window is open. Just see here. After clicking to the next, another window is there in which you can change title over here. Then another two options are there: open the query to view information and modify the query design. If you want to modify the query design, then you can click on to the modify, and you just want to open the query uh, to view information, just click on to this option. Also you can change name in this particular box. um, then you click on to the finish. After finishing, you see whatever the field you have selected will appear in front of you. Here we have selected customer ID, last name, amount paid, and number of days. These all the options are only the selected options are available over here in this particular query, and whatever the data we have provided in that also available over here. Now next option is to construction of query using design view, in which you have to go to the create tab, then click on the query design option, in which show also click onto the show table dialog box in a design view. Then also select the table for the query and click add and click close. The selected tables appear in the query dialog box. Let's see here. For this you have to go to the create tab. In that create tab you can see in query option there is also query design option is available there. Here you can see new window is open over there. In this window you have to select your database, and you get, after selecting your table or database, you see the query design way. You can here you can see tables, queries, and both options are there. Here you can see all the options are available over here. Select customer details and add and close. Here you can see the particular tables that you selected, that is customer details, and whatever the fields are available in that table are come over here, and all the properties of this query is available over here. Here you can select the number of fields that is available over here. I am selecting here amount paid, and you can sort these details also, means you can give the sequence in a descending order. In another field you can select over here. I am selecting here number of amount paid. Also uh, also give them a descending order. Now see For this you have to go to the view section, click on this tab, view tab. You can see here uh, you are giving descending order, means you are here given descending order to this field. So all the entries are in a descending order. In amount paid also you have given as a descending order, that's why here also all the options are in a descending order. You can change these options also. Again go to the view option, then change here order. I'm selecting now ascending. Here also I am selecting now ascending. Here you can see in the view section, here you can see the changes. Whatever the options are on the top now, before whatever the option we are selecting, over here it is now in proper order that I have given in that particular query, means ascending or descending, whatever the order you have given, according to that order this amount will be, these numbers will be arranged. And after giving all these required conditions, save the query. After this you can save the query. By clicking onto the save query you can, you can give the name of that query. Patient record, and you can save these details so that you can use it again. Thus we are studied to create a queries in MS Access. Now there are some Viva preparation questions for you, in which you can see there. First question, what are queries? Queries are actually the fundamentals means of accessing and deploying data from tables. So we can use queries to view, change and analyze data in a different way. We can also use then as the source of record for the form and reports. There are different types of queries also: select query, parameter queries, action queries and cross-tab queries are there. What is select query? A select query allows you to create a simple query to retrieve data from one or two tables. It allows you to perform simple calculations such as sum, count and average on a numeric data. What is the importance of parameter query? A parameter query allows you to create a dynamic queries. It displays a prompt that allows you to enter the requirement before running the query. It then displays data based on a criteria provided to you. Now there is another questions are there. Explain cross-tab query. A cross-tab query displays summarize information. It displays field as column and row headings, and also it can perform sum, count or average on a summarized information. What is SQL query? Access allows creating queries using the structure query language statement. SQL is a data definition language that gives a complete control to create any type of query such as union, pass-through, data definition and subquery. Which type of query is default set? Select query is a type of a query default set. Name the company who deployed SQL language. SQL language is developed. Actually, name of the company who developed SQL language. SQL language is developed by IBM company. What is the extension of database file created in MS Access? The extension is .saccdb. QB stands for what? QD. By example, these are the different types of questions and answers are available here. By pausing video, you can learn this. Thank you for